Adam here from Lifestyle Mobility, and in front of me I have the Ergo Lite 2 in transit and in self-propelled. And with a body weight of just 6 kgs, they are the lightest and most robust, out-of-the-box, compactable wheelchair on the market. And if you're thinking about getting a budget wheelchair like this that weighs almost 20 kilos, well, you can think again, because I'm going to show you why 90% of the customers will always buy an Ergo Lite 2. Come in, let's check out these features. So what features does this chair possibly possess to make it one of the best wheelchairs on the market? First of all, it's made from aircraft aluminium, giving it a base weight of just 6 kgs, meaning it's going to be easy for anyone getting in and out of the boot. Great stuff. What you've got down here is a dual brace on the foot plate, allowing bolts on either side, making sure you're not going to lose it while going on a journey. You won't have to worry about that. You've got here this beautiful S-line, which is a patented design, allowing shaping the contour of your body and making sure you have a comfortable ride. You've got this dual cross brace, keeping the frame really rigid, so you're not going to lose energy while moving, or of course for the attendant while pushing you. So really comfortable ride. I'm going to get out of here and let's see what other features this chair's got going. Additional to that, you've got these ergonomic down curve armrests, which allow you great grip for going in and out of the wheelchair. It also means that tucking under a table at a restaurant, or of course at your home, makes it easy so you're not leaning over or hurting your back. Around the back here, brakes for both transit and active wheelchair, but on the active one, you do have brakes right here, of course, on the wheel as well. And this is very easy to assemble. I'm going to show you right now. And there you have it, the Ergo Lite 2 in transit and self-propelled, the lightest, most compactable, comfortable, robust, and ergonomically designed out-of-the-box wheelchair on the market. And of course, gone are the days of struggling to get your chair into the boot, under a table, losing a footplate en route, or of course, pushing or being pushed on this chair. It's super energy efficient. You know where to find us. It's here at Lifestyle Mobility. Our number is 01702 417 088. And of course, at our banner below at lifestylemobility.co.uk. We will see you soon.